Uber, they're saying, hey, they want to pair women riders with women drivers. So they want you guys to feel safe. Now, this is nothing new because Lyft has already been doing something like this, but I guess they want to just catch on to the fray and say, come on, we're going to be a part of this as well. Maybe more people, I don't know if more people ride Uber versus Lyft. I don't know how that works, but some people feel uncomfortable riding with men because they get harassed. Or maybe a man is picking you up and you're sitting in the back seat and you're getting harassed, or vice versa. That could you're a driver and you're feeling uncomfortable. So basically, they're just saying their main idea is to let women riders get paired up with women drivers, and they're going to try it out in LA, San Francisco, and Detroit first. And they said if it's all good, they're going to expand it. So this is how it works. If you are a woman rider, you can select an option to have a woman driver. You can request it on demand, reserve it for later, or just set it as a general preference in your app settings. And they're saying for women drivers, they can also toggle it as a setting to only receive requests from women riders, especially during those late night hours when you're just trying to get to the money. All right. And then they can switch it on and off whenever they want. Now, here's a few things that you need to pay attention to. There's no guarantee that you're going to get it. They said it's only about 20% of Uber drivers are women. So you may have a longer wait time if you're dead set on getting a woman driver. As I mentioned earlier, Lyft is already doing this. They have a program called Women Connect, and it's been around since 2023. And it's for the women and non-binary people. So Uber is playing a little catch up here. And they're also saying there's no program that says I only want a male driver with a male rider. There's no programs out there for that. The question is there a thing called the pink tax or the lady tax? Are they going to raise the prices on the women because of this? Because this is a feature that they're rolling out. Okay, so are they going to charge the women a little bit more? So this is a good look for Uber, but they've had some safety issues in the past, and it's about giving women more control and peace of mind when they're on the move. So the question that I have for you is Uber's new rollout good? One, this is just a copycat of what Lyft is doing. Two, women need to be comfortable. Three, if women can have this option, why don't the men have it? Or four, this is just a way to keep the women happy. 1 through 4, let me know in the comments. Do you like Uber's new rollout? Is it good, or is it just, another gimmick? Let me know. Let me know. What you think, Revis?
Well, I put it in the chat, and my question is, what if a woman requests another woman, and there's no other woman around, but there's a man who identifies as a woman? Would she get him?
Only
I'm
you,
just saying, this is 2025.
only you find stuff like this, man. So she's identifying as non-binary, is what you're saying?
Right.
Well, they said that they're not doing that. In Lyft, they're doing that, but Uber's not doing that. So if they're saying that they're non-binary, it doesn't matter because you're either going to get a woman or a man. But if you're saying you're non-binary, they didn't want any legal issues, so they're just saying plain and simple, this is just what it is.
Okay. I think it's a good thing. I think women should be comfortable. I feel like if they make them feel safer and they're going to make more money at Uber, then that's a good thing. Because my sister is an Uber and Lyft driver in Detroit.
Mm. Okay. Well, like she hit the spot 1006 said that is a great question that you did ask that, but Uber is saying that they're not getting into the non-binary conversation. You're either a man or you're a woman. So they're not getting into that the way Lyft did, if that makes sense.
Okay. And I just want to commend Hit the Spot 1006.
Why is that?
But for some reason, she's been on my side for a little while.
Well, that's a good thing, man. That's positive. Okay. So, a couple things to consider about this whole Uber deal: safety first, peace of mind, trust and comfort, flexibility for drivers, and setting a precedent. So, I mean, does any of that stand out to the women that use Uber, or does it not matter? I mean, I know trust and comfort of knowing that you can have a ride to and from, not knowing that you're going to be harassed, you're going to be hit on, or maybe they may turn off their light or turn off the ride and take you somewhere that you're not supposed to be going, as opposed to the designated ride. You would think that every driver is going to be good, but you don't really know where people's minds are. So just wanting people to be safe and feeling comfortable. But I think one of my concerns is, what if a man doesn't want to get caught up in a situation where he's getting in the car with another woman and then she makes a claim, if that makes sense.
Right.
It's the Lab Tech Show. Join us Wednesdays at 8 p.m. Eastern at thelabtechshow.com. Embrace it or get left behind.
Alrighty then.